Welcome back to another week of Cooking with Square Food, and this week we've got a really lovely light lunch or snack that you can make. We're going to make a dip called hummus, which is made from chickpeas. We're also going to put in some sesame paste, which is called tahini, which is like this. It's a little bit like peanut butter. It's really, really delicious. We've got lemon, garlic, salt, pepper, olive oil, and the most important ingredient is, if you're using canned chickpeas, to keep the liquid that you pour out, because that can be used to soften it down and make it really silky and smooth. So I really hope you enjoy it. So just in case, we are going to use a sort of blender for this, so you can either use a food processor or a stick blender, but if you don't have that equipment at home, it's absolutely fine. You'll just need to use a little bit of elbow grease and a bit of a fork, and you'll just want to mash the chickpeas until they're nice and smooth. So I really hope you enjoy making this, and most importantly eating this as well. It's such a simple thing to make, but it's really important to keep tasting until you think the seasoning is correct and just enough lemon juice to give it that acidity. So yes, keep tasting, and then the best thing about it is you can dig in with some lovely carrot sticks or cucumber or celery or peppers. I think we're going to give you some pita bread to go with it as well. Really good. The other thing is, if you want to make this again, you can add lots of lovely spices. So cumin works really nicely. I just put a little bit of paprika over the top. So cumin, coriander works beautifully. So if you really enjoy this recipe, you can be really experimental afterwards.